What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I don't care what people truly think about XRP. This is why so many people are allowed to have their own opinions on things. I'm not telling anybody to buy anything. I'm not telling anybody to sell. I'm not telling anybody that they shouldn't own something that they own. What I am telling you is what I'm doing. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because a lot of times it does inspire people to look into something a little bit more. Maybe they only heard a couple of things about XRP. One bad thing about XRP, one good thing about XRP, and maybe they just haven't had that fuel to make that move yet and do their own research. I truly believe that XRP will be worth so much more. I saw a comment in the chat today about how this person believes that XRP will not create a new all-time high. It will probably get up to a higher point, but not create a new all-time high. And that person is entitled to their opinion, just like I'm entitled to mine. But I do believe that people are going to miss out on a large opportunity by not investing into these things. So many people had their opinions about Bitcoin in the beginning. And because of those opinions, because of those things that people said, it scared me away. A person who loves speculation, who loves the idea of the unknown being very interesting, that would have been a position that I would have bought and held for a long period of time. I've done it in many cases. But in many other cases that I have had, plus that one, I've basically said no to investing into it because of what I've heard. Well, no longer am I just going to take what people are telling me and go, okay, I'm going to make my decision based on what you said. I'm going to do my own research into it. And the research that I've done in the XRP tells me that this thing is going to be valued no matter what actually happens. Whether we see it get implemented in every single bank or not, whether we see that people are utilizing it in a heavy way or not, whether we see that other things are created to kind of take that place or not, I still believe and see the vision for XRP being worth a lot more than where it stands right now. Just being completely honest with you, I see it. I see it worth multiple trillions of dollars at minimum. And if anything, you're going to see tens of trillions of dollars, maybe even hundreds of trillions of dollars, right? That's look, I'm throwing my hands up. It all depends on the things that are going to happen, right? And where once it gets to those levels where it's like hundreds of trillions of dollars, it's like that's ridiculous. Market cap doesn't matter for this project as it does get to that point. That means that it has true value, like or full value of what we believe that it was going to be, and that's why it's worth so much. XRP, in my opinion, yes, I have a minimum that I'm looking for, which is $10 to $20. I have the levels that I'm looking to expect, which is $100+ and then I have the higher levels, which is 1,000 to 10,000, even all the way up to hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now, this doesn't mean that this is expectation. It means that we have reality, we have expectation, and we have what the max profit could potentially be. So, with that being said, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about my link for Margex. If you guys want to trade XRP, feel free to do so. That link is down there in the description at the top of the description where you can do so much with trading, not only XRP, but BTC, Ethereum, Solana, many other projects. So please go ahead and check that out down below, or, find your own platform if you want to. They are a partner with the channel, and this is why I've mentioned them in all videos or most videos. But let's go in to show where XRP is right now. XRP currently stands at 54, almost 55 cents. It's been hovering around these levels for quite some time, so it's not anything new to see it at these levels. We are seeing that the market is kind of creating a little bit of a downturn. We're seeing things that are pulling back, and we could see more negativity that happens more right now than we would see a lot of the positivity, right? Because we're currently at a $1.97 trillion market cap compared to the 2.2 trillion dollar market cap that we were at maybe just a week ago. We also saw a $2.75 trillion market cap for this position, or for these positions for cryptocurrency in general. And XRP was up to like a 65-cent level, even 70-cent level at those times. But right now, we're seeing it at a $30 billion market cap with about $1 billion worth of volume, down 22%, down to $862 million worth of volume. 56% of the supply that's out there out of the 100 billion coins. Now, why do I believe this is going to be valuable? First, let me talk about my reality, my expectation, and my max profit. When I look into my exit plan, right? My exit plan tells me everything I need to know, right? I'm not looking at the 4,000 that we have there. I was doing a scenario there for somebody else, but it tells me everything that I do need to know about this. And when I look at my 100,000 coins that I do have, my 100,000 coins at a level of $10, it is worth $1 million. Some people might say that is my realistic level. $10, $20 realistically up to $1 trillion market cap at this current supply level. If we do see it at $20 and it has the total supply that's out there, then it would be a level to where sorry, let me get this out of here. It would be a level to where we would see a $1 trillion market cap at $10 and a $2 trillion market cap at $20. So that's always a possibility as well, depending how long it takes to get there. But for me, my reality, again, $10 to $20, not insane, especially for everything that it does have going for it. But my expectation max is $100, which would get you to about a $5 trillion market cap here, or $10 trillion. This is still expectation. This is still within the range of what I believe is going to happen. Meaning that if I have my 100,000 coins, it is worth $10 million. Absolutely fantastic. I don't need that much, but absolutely fantastic. Now, we get to the level to where is more of the max profit, right? $1,000, $3,000, $5,000, $7,000, $10,000, $18,000, which would be worth $1.7 billion if I decided to hold on to the 100,000 that I do have all the way until then. I don't think that's going to be the case at all. I'm not looking to hold 100,000 coins up until that point. Actually, it would be worth more than that. It would be worth 1.8. I was wondering why that was. And it was because I had 500 up there. It would be worth $1.8 billion. I don't consider that as a reality for me. That would currently put the market cap of this up to a $1 quadrillion market cap. That's a little insane for everything, but they say that market cap truly doesn't matter, which means that this would have to be removed from the crypto market and put into its own like pool, its own area, so that it's not inflating what the crypto market is, because no one will ever exceed what XRP will be worth. I believe that XRP will be worth a lot more than what people think. And if we understand my breakdown of it, there's a sense of reality, there's a sense of expectation, there's a sense of max profit. I truly believe that expectation is going to be the level that we get to 100 up to $500, those levels, right? That's what we can expect from everything that's going on with XRP. When we talk about the partnership with banks, the implementation of XRP in there as the only go-to option to be an easy communicator between countries. Not just banks, but countries, right? Banks within countries. You can have that easy communication, that easy line of sending money within seconds to them. So I have to get to these messages right now, but I want to talk about this a lot more in detail, but this is my thought process. Again, you guys can have your own thought process about XRP and believe that XRP only gets to a $5 price point, or believes that it doesn't get to a new all-time high. But I see so many different positive things that, because I've looked into it and I've researched a lot about it, this is why I believe that. This is why I decided to spend $50,000 on XRP. I wouldn't spend $50,000 on something if I didn't truly believe in that play. Right? I didn't spend $50,000 on any other position that I own, even including CRO. And I mentioned CRO a lot and buy CRO consistently. I haven't spent $50,000 on that. So this means a lot to me because I've looked into it. So anything you guys say is not going to change my opinion of how things are. I read them, I hear them out, but you guys have your own opinion. I have my own opinion. I believe that people are missing out if they don't decide to make a move into XRP for the long term, right? I'm in it for the long term. I'm in it for the short term. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel for Patreon, for Twitter, for Margex. Those links are at the top of the description. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.